Large ships require intensive maintenance to operate efficiently and have a long lifespan. This maintenance isn't limited to just the interior or the machinery. The submerged parts of the ship, such as the hull and propeller, also need periodic inspection and cleaning. This is due to the fact that as ships sail further, more marine organisms, known as biofouling, tend to adhere to the ship's hull and propellers. Various types of biofouling, including barnacles and algae, commonly attach themselves to the hulls and propellers of ships. Despite modern methods employing drones and robots designed to protect ships from biofouling, these marine organisms can still thrive on the submerged parts of the ship, which can have a thickness of up to 500 millimeters or more. Apart from making the ship look dirty and causing damage to the hull and propellers, biofouling also affects the ship's speed. As more marine organisms adhere to the hull and propellers, it leads to a reduction in speed, resulting in increased fuel consumption. According to the International Council on Clean Transportation, 𝗖𝗂𝗃𝗏, the hull cleaning process can reduce emissions by 1 to 10%, while propeller cleaning can reduce emissions by 2 to 5%. There are several common methods used for cleaning a ship's hull. One approach involves placing large ships in dry dock when it's time for them to be cleaned. This ship cleaning process is typically part of annual general maintenance. During this time, workers not only inspect and maintain the hull and propellers, but also conduct a thorough check of the entire ship. Cleaning a ship in dry dock can be quite costly, ranging from $1.2 million to $1.6 million, which covers the expenses of placing the ship in dry dock alone, not including the business losses incurred during the weeks required to complete the job before the ship can sail again. To reduce these costs, many ship companies choose to clean their ships while they are still in the water. To clean the submerged parts of the ship, companies hire divers equipped with specialized tools. Before hull cleaning is performed by divers, an underwater inspection or survey is carried out in detail, including the inspection of the propellers. After inspection, the divers proceed to clean the ship's hull and propellers. These specialized divers work for hours in dark, oily waters beneath docks or ports. They wear full diving suits and carry sufficient oxygen tanks during their work. One manual method for cleaning the ship's hull involves divers using simple tools like hand brushes or scrapers made of flat iron. For larger vessels like cruise ships and cargo ships, divers can use tools such as brush cutters and water jets. Brush cutters are equipped with multiple rotating brushes and come in various sizes and types, commonly used by divers. Dynamic Diver, a Greek company, produces one such brush cutter that features 3 cleaning segments, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear. It can clean the ship's hull at a rate of up to 3,000 square meters per hour. Divers hold onto the brush cutter while navigating along the hull for cleaning. Water jet devices are used to clean the ship's hull and operate by spraying high-pressure water to remove biofouling. Divers simply direct the water jet nozzle to the area that requires cleaning. This job requires divers to work alone in hazardous conditions beneath giant ship hulls. There is no direct path to the surface, making it risky if tides cause the ship to move. Cleaning the ship's hull also involves advanced technology. Many automated and eco-friendly cleaning machines are now available for cleaning the ship's underwater parts. In the past, some cleaning operations released hazardous compounds into the water, such as copper and zinc, which harmed the local ecosystem. This was because organisms that escaped cleaning put additional pressure on the local ecosystem, potentially damaging it and endangering marine life. Fortunately, modern cleaning methods employ drones and robots. These robotic cleaners can clean the hull and propellers without damaging the ship's outer layer or polluting ports and docks. These machines work by vacuuming and collecting biofouling. Their suction power is substantial, allowing them to remove a significant amount of biofouling in a short time. In addition to drones and robots, there is another modern method using concentrated water jets. This method utilizes a device that sprays high-pressure water. The crew aims the device at the biofouling, which then detaches itself from the ship's hull. Some ship hull cleaning operations even involve saturation divers who can work at depths exceeding those reachable by regular divers. Saturation divers undergo specialized training to avoid decompression effects, enabling them to work at extreme depths for extended periods. These divers operate in a chamber about 4 to 6 meters long, fitted with 2 bunks above and 2 below, with a small passage in between. Sometimes, saturation divers remain in the chamber for up to 28 days. Inside, they breathe a mixture of helium and oxygen constantly. Their work involves rotating shifts of 2 to 3 divers who take turns cleaning for up to 6 hours before being replaced by the next team. Hull cleaning operations are hazardous, and if not carried out by experts, accidents can occur, endangering lives. Therefore, one way to prevent human errors during underwater hull cleaning is by using robots. One company providing underwater cleaning services is 𝗬𝗂𝗄𝗄 Global Solutions, which offers a remote-controlled cleaning system known as the Cleaning ROV, or CROV. The CROV cleaning system comes in 2 types, both compliant with local regulations and authorities. The first is the EcoFriendly ROV, which employs low and high-pressure filtration systems with UV assistance. It is designed to remove biofouling and prevent the spread of invasive aquatic species. The EcoFriendly ROV uses a reclamation system for cleaning and captures materials in the water, utilizing multi-stage particle filtration down to 1 micron, rendering liquid waste inert before returning clean water. The collected biofouling waste is recycled into certified biomass to create biofuel. Before using the eco-friendly CROV, the company periodically takes water samples for external certified analysis. This configuration can be transported by medium-sized trucks and can be operated from a dock or mounted on a barge, making it suitable for regional use if needed. The second method is the portable CROV, which is portable and does not require a reclamation system. This method is used for cleaning heavy macrofouling on offshore units like semi-submersibles and floating production storage and offtake FPSO vessels. During pre-cleaning inspections, 𝗬𝗂𝗄𝗄 Global Solutions inspection team also uses high-definition real-time video to access specific areas underwater. ROV machines can be operated remotely by operators on board the ship or on the deck, and they can function at great depths without the need for decompression. To operate ROV machines, operators need proper training, as the process is technically complex and requires a good understanding of marine ecosystems through rigorous training. In addition to the ship's hull, the submerged propellers, located underwater, also require regular attention and maintenance. Therefore, propeller cleaning must also be performed periodically. Some companies that offer propeller cleaning services employ specialized divers for this task. These divers clean the ship's propellers using an underwater grinder specifically designed for this purpose, known as a propeller polisher, to remove buildup and polish the propellers themselves. To use the propeller polisher, divers grasp the machine and clean repeatedly until it becomes spotless. The propeller polisher is equipped with a vacuum adapter to prevent materials from spreading into the environment. This is a demanding job, as divers need to polish propellers with diameters exceeding 8 meters and weighing over 100 tons. Thus, specialized dive teams may spend hours cleaning a ship's propellers. To ensure that propellers function efficiently and last, cleaning is typically done every 3 to 6 months. Although hull and propeller cleaning is considered hazardous, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the cleanliness of the ship and the environment. Consequently, the maritime and diving industries continually innovate in ship cleaning technology, particularly for the hull and propellers.